If you're planning to attend the 2023 Process Expo, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From October 23rd through the 25th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during the Process Expo's exhibit hall hours at McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspection, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at the Process Expo why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the food and beverage processing industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.